Hey guys, are you want to buy best travel power adapters? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best travel power adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MINIX power adapters, the MINIX 170W GaN III Fast Charger is a powerful and versatile travel adapter, perfect for charging multiple devices on the go. Featuring 3 USB-C ports supporting PD 3.1 and 1 USB-A port with QC4+. It delivers a total output of 170 Q, including up to 140 West from a single USB-C port, enough to charge a MacBook Pro 16 to 55% in just 30 minutes. Designed for global travelers. It includes 4 plug types compatible with over 180 countries excluding South Africa and India. Safety is prioritized with certifications from RoHS, CE, and FCC. Plus built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating, all housed in a fire-retardant casing. Note, it doesn't convert voltage, so users should verify device compatibility before use. Overall, this charger offers ultra-fast, reliable power for laptops, tablets, phones, and cameras worldwide. Now, our second product is Anker Power Adapters. The Anker Nano Travel Adapter is a compact and versatile charger designed for global travelers. Equipped with 4 essential plug types type AIG and CIT, supports outlets worldwide. Though it does not convert voltage, you can power up to 5 devices simultaneously via an AC outlet, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports, with 1 USB-C port offering 20 West fast charging, capable of charging an iPhone 16 to 50% in just 28 minutes. Its design is impressively compact, 43% smaller than similar models, and features foldable, retractable pins for easy portability. The safe 2-pin to 2-pin connection helps prevent electric shocks, ensuring worry-free use. The package includes the Anker Nano Travel Adapter, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and friendly customer service, making it a reliable travel companion for all your charging needs. Our third product is Epicka Power Adapters. The Epicka 6-in-1 Worldwide Travel Adapter is a must-have for globetrotters. Supporting over 200 countries including the USA, UK, Japan, and Australia, excluding South Africa and India. It charges up to 6 devices simultaneously with 4 USB-A ports 2.4A, 1 USB-C port 3A, and 1 AC socket. Perfect for phones, laptops, tablets, and more. Safety is a priority with built-in 10A fuse, safety shutters, and plug lock system, plus RoHS, CE, and FCC certifications. Note, it is not a voltage converter and is unsuitable for high-power appliances like hair dryers. The adapter supports up to 1100W at 110 volts and 2400 West at 240 volts. Epicka offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year limited warranty with responsive customer service. Replacement fuses are easily available on Amazon for added convenience. Now, number 4. Ceptics Power Adapters. This No.1 travel adapter brand, designed in the USA, offers unmatched reliability and safety for global travelers. The all-in-one adapter supports Type A, I, C, and G plugs, making it perfect for Europe, the USA, China, Australia, the UK, and more. Charge up to 5 devices simultaneously with 3 USB ports 2.4A and 2 USB-C ports featuring power delivery and quick charge 3.0, delivering up to 35 West fast charging for phones, tablets, laptops, and other devices. Safety is top priority with an 8A fuse, FCC, CE, RoHS certifications, surge protection, child safety shutters, and plug lock to prevent shocks and short circuits. Note, This adapter is not a voltage converter your devices support. 10224OV, ideal for hassle-free travel, charging with dependable support. Contact customer service for any questions or concerns. And our last choice is Tessan Power Adapters, the Tessan Europe Plug Adapter is perfect for travelers visiting countries like Italy, Spain, France, Germany, and more. It features a 7-inch -1 design. With 4 AC outlets, 2500 West Max, 1 USB-C port, 15 West Max, and 2 USB-A ports 2.4A Max each, allowing you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously, cutting down wait times and eliminating the need for extra adapters. Compact and lightweight, only 3.48 ounces. It easily fits into your bag, and its 4-sided design prevents blocking when using bulky plugs. Note that this adapter does not convert voltage, ensure your devices support. 10225OV. It's ideal for charging phones, earphones, and other gadgets, but not recommended for high-power appliances, like hair dryers or straighteners, unless they support dual voltage. A reliable, travel-friendly choice for Europe trips. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.